Happy blissful day, blissful beings. So in today's video, we're gonna share one of our favorite techniques, and it's called revision. Absolutely powerful. With this technique, it's used to change or alter an undesirable past event that happened. You know, one of those events that maybe happened and you're like, oh man, I don't know why this happened. I wish, it could have, happened differently, and stuff like that. And, but my beautiful wife is just going to tell you guys more about that. And I'm going to share some success stories.
Yeah, so revision is really just changing a past event. Likely any of the cycles that we're in, or the patterns that we see around us, or even behaviors that we have, it all stems back to one pivotal moment or one pivotal season. So now, if you can change that one moment or that season, you change everything else sequentially.
Indeed. And I just want to share a couple of success stories in my life. So I had a season in my life where I always used to overindulge in alcohol, and usually weekends. So I would, go out, have a beer, and then another, and then another, and then another. And at such point, I wouldn't actually know how to stop. And I was like, what the hell is happening, man? Why am I doing this to myself? Because the following day I'd feel like crap, and I was like, why do I pay to actually feel like crap? It's so dumb. Why would you do that? And then, I did revision and I said, no, that's not true. I always, and notice the word always, I always lived a healthy and balanced lifestyle. And I really felt the reality of that statement. Say, no, I always lived a healthy and balanced lifestyle. When I usually go out, I usually have maximum 3 drinks, mostly 2. That's it. But I usually live and enjoy a healthy, balanced lifestyle. And now, fast forward, boom, I am living a healthy, balanced lifestyle. So I know exactly when to stop. So the good thing is, it's not like how it used to be, because what I did, I changed the past and I said, nope, that's not true. I always live a healthy, balanced lifestyle. And it's a beautiful thing because now I'm actually experiencing. And then I want to share another one with you guys. This one is a powerful one. So, a few years ago, we got here it comes, bad news, right? And I spoke to the doctor, and the doctor told me that, hey, it's not looking good. Your mom's got cancer and stuff like that. So I spoke to her over the phone. I spoke to the doctor over the phone, and then afterwards, I'm like, yeah, that's fine, not a problem. So, because I could still hear the doctor's voice, right? When I hung up, I could still hear her voice, and I heard her say this, hey, Gabriel, your mom is perfectly healthy. Everything is well. Wow, we're so happy. And you guys are so, so, so grateful, to have a perfectly healthy mom. So I repeated the doctor's voice and conversation in my imagination over and over and over and over and over again until I felt the reality. In other words, until I felt a feeling of relief or excitement, and then afterwards I dropped it. And you know what happened? The next month, 1 month, when she went for a checkup, the doctor said, she told my mom, you are perfectly healthy and everything is fine. Isn't it amazing? You see, the cool thing about revision, it actually, as my baby said, it doesn't only change the past, but it actually changed that entire timeline as well.
Yeah, you see, revision is simply using your imagination, hearing a voice, seeing a person, maybe reliving an experience, but the way that you want it to. Like Gabriel said, he heard the doctor's voice over and over and over until it felt real. Or he went back and he repeated that mantra that I've always lived a healthy, balanced lifestyle until it felt real. So if there's anything in your life where maybe it's a cycle presenting itself or just an undesirable pattern or behavior, go back to that first moment or that first instant. Use your imagination and change it to how you want it to. When you do that, you're going to see a ripple effect throughout your entire life and your future.
Indeed. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep smiling, enjoy your blissful day, and we shall say thank you, Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.